Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by preparing your environment and installing core packages. First, update pip and confirm Python 3.8 or newer. This avoids later incompatibilities. Once done, backup your /Jupyter and /local/share/Jupyter directories to preserve settings. Then install Jupyter Lab, Classic Notebook, and Jupyter Contrib extensions so you have extension support. Make sure to restart any running kernels. These steps give you a safe baseline and the tools required to customize interfaces and extensions in the next stage. Now you'll modify the appearance and behavior. First, install and enable Contrib extensions with Jupyter Contrib extension, install user, and toggle useful extensions like collapsible headings and code folding. Next, apply a theme using Jupyter Lab extension install or JTT Monokai for the Classic Notebook. This adjusts fonts, spacing, and colors. Then customize key bindings and toolbar buttons via the Advanced Settings Editor or Editing JSON config so shortcuts match your workflow. Once these changes deploy, finish by making your changes persistent and resilient. Save persistent tweaks in Jupyter Notebook config. Pi or lab settings directory and register kernels with virtualenv or conda to isolate dependencies. Once done, export a packed settings snapshot so you can reproduce the setup on other machines. If something breaks, disable recent extensions and restart Jupyter. Clear your browser cache or use an incognito window to rule out client caching. One key tip: conflicts between extensions are common. Disable them one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.